Hey guys, I'm back. Here is our version of tahu telur. Tahu is tofu and telur is egg. Yeah, so here is the tahu telur. Yeah, so inside there's a tofu. Outside you can see the egg. And usually we cook with jamba, tauge, beansprout. But since we don't have beansprout, we use this one, cabbage. It's called improvisation. We bring this traditional Indonesian food into new level. See the plating. Wow, it looks good, isn't it? This one is my wife version. She's Indonesian, but this is the first time she makes this one. Looks fluffy. Heaven. Wow. Oh, good. The peanut sauce, wow, amazing. Homemade peanut sauce, you know. From the Sambel Pecel and also petis. Wow, this is so good. Oh yeah, petis is basically Indonesian shrimp paste. Yeah, so the fragrance is very good. You know, it's got the seafood fishy smell, so it's actually very tantalizing. Sweet and saltiness is very well balanced, but it's more sweet, and this is good, just nice with the egg like this, with the tofu inside. So the tofu here is actually salty, and the sauce is sweet, very well balanced. Okay, let's eat. Let's start our lunch. See you again.